Have a look. Here you can see 7500 watts, ultra slim, 2 centimeter, means less than an inch, connected directly to a giant area, round coil, 140 centimeter for a round table. For Barbooth, let's test 6521. All this working, 140 centimeter diameter, big, 6.5. Good. Small, 2.1. Very good. Now big again, 6.5. 6 and 5. Let's see. Now small, 2.1. Every hand it's coming, every hand. Just imagine that you can put this 140 centimeter diameter inside in the floor, and you can play directly on the floor, or you can make a table. Look how big it is. Have a look. It fits very easy, around 12 to 15 people to play Barbooth on a round table.